We getting ready to go?
I can be in it.
Yes. Okay. Oh, you guys are so goofy.
Aloha.
Hello, everyone. We are headed to the beach to go golfing. Come with us.
Look at my game.
You always dancing, Sindel. Love it.
Yeah.
And singing.
I thought you meant on the game, buddy.
Oh.
I love you so much. I know it too. Lucas and Sindel, did we make it to golf today? Are you so excited? Are we gonna get a cart? I cannot wait. So much fun. I love watching you all play. The weather is really beautiful.
Yeah, this is like
The blue sky, some overcast.
yeah, Lukey.
How is it, beautiful? Ooh. We made it early enough to get some putting practice in, didn't we? Official tee off. Sindel got it. Look at you go, girl. Got Micah up. Baby. Hold on, sis. Look, he's going. Nice, Lucas. The wind is so breezy. Micah's had his hoodie on and off. I had to put mine on. And then it just gets all calm and warm, and then it'll change again. Lovely sea air. Kids are having so much fun. You know it's good when Lukey's singing.
What am I singing?
Yeah, do you know?
Oh no.
I said you know it's good when he is. He thought I was asking him.
Oh, pin shot!
They're having such a good game. They're such eager, wonderful golfers. So impressed.
It is.
Lucas, how is the game?
Good.
Yeah?
So
You got a little
we
treat
got-
there?
Ah! Look, I'm
This thing seems like it. Kind of nice. Doesn't seem like anybody's really playing after us.
Too slow, Mom.
Me? I'm just capturing the shot. The foxgloves are beautiful over here, yonder. our Hobbit trail up over the course. We'll have to play back. I couldn't see. Lukey's wanting to learn.
Ball you. Okay, now straight arms. Eyes on the ball. There you go, yeah, see? Boom.
I didn't hit the right one. I'm so sorry, you guys.
What do you mean?
It's Here's going down. So beautiful up here. I love all the bird noises too. And at one point the ocean sounded so loud. It's literally just over there. And then look how fast these clouds are moving today. It's just beautiful. Those clouds moving are nuts. Sandal's gonna go get hers. The whole crew out today, huh? Lukey, how's the beach? Are you working on a game? You wanna go play in the sand some?
Here I made. Hey, look at your feet.
What'd you do?
I made a puzzle game. Come on, Lukey, let's go and play.
Hey, did you give Dad a hug, Henny? Lukey was telling me he made a game. That was really sweet of you, giving Daddy hugs. It was rather dreamy weather. All foggy, and then you can still see some of the ghost forest stumps down there.
Yeah, I think
in the ghosty mist.
The tide.
We were noticing the water doesn't even look that great. It's pretty murky. The rock is all misted in over there too. You guys getting a decent hole, Doug? You found something there?
And then I put my feet in it and then did this and I felt something.
Did I paint your finger and toenails yesterday, beautiful? That was so fun. They look lovely. They are.
First you did pink, then you did sparkly yours.
Yep.
Okay, now how do you get? I wonder where it is. Let's go on.
Had to get some make happening. Micah was right. The green was beautiful for the coast day today. The kids made giant holes down there. The teeter-totter at the beach! Whoa! You feel like you're on the moon because of the way the sky is?
No. We're on the moon because we're on.
Oh, you're space jumping? Yeah.
No, we're on planet Odd. Look. See?
Odd. Yeah.
Planet Odd.
Og. So